Hey guys, welcome to the flow state week of our series, and it can also be called the roller coaster week because I have gone from being lost, unplanned and unproductive to shaping my future plans, being productive and making great connections. So hey guys, it's Me Snift and let me take you throughout my whole week and share with you guys how I figured everything out.
The smell of his tobacco still clings.
So hey guys, it's the evening of 17th June, the day 2 of our flow state week. And as I've mentioned in the last video that the week remained very hot with around 38 degrees per day. But this week is fully different because it's raining cats and dogs and I have to sleep with blankets and fan on together. So the weather is having its own mood swings. But why is this video starting in day 2? Because I haven't done anything productive or meaningful yet. And that's why the self-improvement journey video will be coming next week. And I'll try to get back into the flow state by today. So until then, you guys enjoy a few of the time-lapse clips that I took.
A blend of fire and fading days with smoke.
So hey guys, it's the evening of 18th June, the day 3 of our flow state week, and from the last few days I have been recording videos in my terrace because the sky is looking good and the sun enhances the vibrancy of the video. And I have took this change because I've realized something this week, that my videos look professional because I am sitting in my setup and telling you about the things that I have done throughout the day. But along with that, it also looks boring and monotonous. So I have took feedback from my friends and few of the viewers and thought of like recording outside sometimes. And I won't say this video is the perfect example of that. I'll try to improve in the next videos. But this week I have tried to improve a bit, and you guys please share your thoughts in the comments. So one thing that I've realized lately is I am just in the flow of making videos and putting a small amount of work, but not the desired amount of work which is required to achieve my goals. And also I'm not completely underground yet, as I was in June 2023. Out of curiosity, out of discovering new things and trying out different things, I explored a lot, experimented with things and failed fast, which gave me enormous knowledge and information about the things that I want to do. So maybe my past experiences and the fear of failing is keeping me stuck in my current situation. But I want to get over this, but I'm also not getting that spark which I had back then. And I know that I have to try out new things, get more new experiences to accomplish my goal. But I'm not getting that confidence to do the stuffs. And I also know that I have to get out of this situation within this week. So stick around to the video to find out what I am gonna do to get out of this.
I keep it near the windowsill as if he might come still.
So now it's the night of 18th June and right now I had conversation with few of my online friends whom I meet through LinkedIn or during internships. I made them understand about the situation I am going through right now, and later we planned to have conversation on Google Meet tomorrow. So now I'm gonna sleep and let's meet tomorrow. So hey guys, it's the morning of 19th June and today I woke up early, and after that I sat for studying for 3 hours, and now I have downloaded the Google Camera app because one of my friends suggested me to try it out, and I was amazed by the results it gave me. So these are the few pictures that I took, and maybe I will be taking pictures the whole day. Let's see what happens, and these are the few results that you are seeing right now.
Till love had come undone. Now all I crave.
So hey guys, it's the evening of 19th June and yep, I took a lot of pictures today. But right now, as per the plan, I have a meeting scheduled with Tanishqa, whom I met through LinkedIn, and we had conversations before. But today we're gonna have a conversation on how am I going to come out from my current situation, being productive, and maybe about content creation. So let's have the conversation.
हेलो
Hello, hello.
बताइए क्या हुआ
वो तो
क्या हुआ है
तो श्री तनिष्का धीमन आप लोगों को कुछ ज्ञान देगी, तो हाँ, तो सुनते हैं वो क्या बोलने वाली है।
आज का ज्ञान दे रही हो संजनो, यही है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, तो ये सोचोगे तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, उनको कुछ कहने तो दो। ऐसा तो लोग क्या कहेंगे मत सोचा करो। ओके, मेरा लाइफ का कोट है कीप स्विमिंग, तो कीप स्विमिंग, मछली बनना और तैरते जाओ। be the goldfish of your life. Don't think about what others are thinking because उनके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है और तुम्हारे पास भी इतना टाइम नहीं है, तो आगे बढ़ते जाओ। पर इससे ज़्यादा ज्ञान नहीं ले सकती मैं, हो गया मेरा।
चलो ठीक है।
देना चाहिए था ना।
हाँ हाँ
स्क्रिप्ट देना चाहिए था। और ये
देखो
स्क्रिप्ट पे काम नहीं करूँगी मैं।
अनफिल्टर्ड ज्ञान है, लपेट लो, काम आएगा। लपेट लो। So as I've mentioned earlier in the video about the things that I'm going through right now, if you're also facing the same or feeling lost or you couldn't figure out what you're going to do in the future, you can also have a conversation with her in LinkedIn or Instagram. I have attached both of the links in the description. You may check that out. So we ended up the conversation talking about content, and yep, that was obvious. So later we plan to have weekly calls where we'll be decoding the viral reels, and it will help in our own content creation process. So right now I'll be journaling and brainstorming on the upcoming reel series, and then I'm gonna sleep because I have to be more productive tomorrow. So let's meet tomorrow. So hey guys, it's the morning of 20th June and yesterday I listed out the things that I have to do today, but मुझसे start नहीं हो रहा. So then I entered my room and saw its messed up condition as you can see right now. And later I thought कि चलो पहले इसको fix कर लेते हैं. It would be productive and also my room will get cleaned. So now I enjoy the time lapse and then I'm showing you the before and after of the room. So this is the condition of the room right now, and this is my table where I work, and yep, it looks very arranged, and because I have OCD I couldn't keep the thing like this, so yep, it's fully arranged, and I know it won't stay like this forever and maybe not even 2-3 days, but I will try to keep it clean like this. And this is my backdrop, and behind this, and it is made like a partition of the room, and behind this there are a few other stuffs. Yep, it's still quite a mess, but it's okay, it can't be seen. And this is the bed, so everything is clean right now, and let's see how many days I could keep it like this. So hey guys, the room is much clean now, and currently I was journaling with my Bollywood 70s and 80s playlist, and suddenly my dad entered my room. And maybe the playlist that was running in the background made him happy because he's very fond of music. And back into his days, he had his own cassette recordings of his own written songs. And by listening this, you can understand how much he is fond of music. So later he sat down and asked me about what my future plans are and how and why am I so confident enough that I'll take over my expenses within the upcoming year. So I made him understand about the things that I'm learning, the things that I'm working on, and what are exactly my future goals. So we had a conversation for about 30 minutes and then he left for sleeping. And currently I will finish up my journal and then I'll also go to sleep. So hey guys, it's the morning of 21st June and yesterday I slept early, but today I couldn't wake up in time. I woke up at 9 and then did some household work, and after that I made the breakfast for myself, all by myself. So now enjoy the timelapse about what and how I made it.
The smell of his tobacco still clings to my old coat. A blend of fire and fading days with smoke caught in the throat. I keep it near the windowsill as if he might come still. I never liked the way it stung till love had come undone.
So yep, I know it's not a big deal, but for me it is, as I have not made anything by myself yet. So in the upcoming month I will try to learn few more dish, and for now let me enjoy it and edit my video. So hey guys, it's the evening of 21st June and currently I'm having a meeting scheduled up with another friend called Sashwat, and we met through an internship and later connected through LinkedIn. So I asked him about how is my video series going, and he said that he loved the montages that I took for the I Quit video and the later videos, and now he needs a help with content creation. So let's see what's the topic and let's dive into it. Oh, hello bro. So we just finished up with the conversation and I helped him plan a 30 days reel series for his upcoming SaaS product launch. And 2 months back he provided me the hosting of my website snift.in, but I didn't get the time, can be said I procrastinated, to build my website. So in the end of the conversation he helped me build the initial version of the website. So maybe it will be live within few days and you guys may check that out. So after that, now this video is ready to upload, and that was all about the flow state week. Also can be called the roller coaster week, because I started from the bottom and figured out all this, and now the next week will decide whether I succeeded the underground June or not, and that's why it's called the victory with the question mark in it. So if you're watching till now, maybe you liked the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe the channel to be the part of the journey. And for checking out the previous episode and my other social media handles, you will get all the links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming week. Until then, it's Snift signing off.